sure do like to share your opinions, talking big like somebody's listening. Nobody's listening. It's so fun and games until it doesn't. Toss me out, I'll hit the ignition. Now you listen. Hop up in the window. Smaller and smaller you fade out. Hop up in the window. Like a no name, so sorry, but we're not the same. No, we're not the same. Boo-hoo, poor you, please forgive me, cause I don't feel any pity. I'm fed up with lies, you wanted my demise. Now you're watching me rise, rise, rise. Up in the window, smaller and smaller you fade out. Hop up in the window. Watch me levitate. You cannot kill my vibe, no, there's no way. I'm flying high above all your gravity, trying to bring me down, but I'll never stay. Hey, hey, watch me levitate. You cannot kill my vibe, no, there's no way. You can say what you want, call me insane, trying to bring me down, but I'll never stay. Hey, hey, watch me levitate. Watch me levitate.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour, take a cold shower, scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder, and f*** all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to win the crown. I fought with these fucking crowds. We're all taught they deserve it now. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
Yeah, who with me? It's okay if you not wanna fit me. Small circle, I don't poly with many. Nigga only want the fatty like Remy. Boy, I hop at the vert in your city. Do your nigga with my hand on my blicky. Shit out how you roll around like Jimmy. I'm running shit like I'm heading to Ginny. Life is like a bunch of chocolate, so fuck, I really look like selling my soul. I know you really only here to get on. That's one reason and the other, no. Ain't no friends, it's just family, so random niggas, I ain't calling them bro. You wife and thotties, I ain't saving a hoe. I handle business and just stick to the code. Yeah, see now how you feeling, I feel a little bold. Been wanting this shoe cause it's still getting cold. I've been having drip, they should put me on hold. Yeah, but really I want me a rose. I want me a freak every time I come home. When I hit from the back, she be curling her toes. Talking on the team, that'll get you smoked. Stand up with the beam, leave a nigga toast. Yeah, fuck a Tesla, I need me a Taycan. Spun your blood, now you leaving the lights on. Shorty want me cause I put my ice on. Yeah, spill my drink, it was sitting on the speaker. Them shits been bumping all weekend. Niggas hate for no reason. Talking down on me, repeat. Who with me? It's okay if you not wanna fit me. Small circle, I don't poly with many. Nigga only want the fatty like Remy. Boy, I hop at the vert in your city. Do your nigga with my hand on my blicky. Shit out how you roll around like Jimmy. I'm running shit like I'm heading to Ginny. Life is like a bunch of chocolate, so fuck, I really look like selling my soul. I know you really only here to get on. That's one reason and the other, no. Ain't no friends, it's just family, so random niggas, I ain't calling them bro. You wife and thotties, I ain't saving a hoe. I handle business and just stick to the code.
Before this, I wasn't thought of. I was broke, but then I caught up. Yeah, going through my phone, do I get caught up? Can't be the only one to play my part. I want money, I don't want your heart. Cut you off for the next day, I still got feelings for you. Tryna clear my soul with a piece of mind. Tell the niggas gon' get their own, can have a piece of mind. He gon' sell us all, wouldn't be surprised. How about the beat, double spinning for the guy? Myself, I can tell if you with me. God on his way, think he coming to get me. If she let me fuck her once, she won't forgive me. And if I run into him, God won't forgive me.
Who with me? It's okay if you not wanna fit me. Small circle, I don't poly with many. Nigga only want the fatty like Remy. Boy, I hop at the vert in your city. Do your nigga with my hand on my blicky. Shit out how you roll around like Jimmy. I'm running shit like I'm heading to Ginny. Life is like a bunch of chocolate, so fuck, I really look like selling my soul. I know you really only here to get on. That's one reason and the other, no. Ain't no friends, it's just family, so random niggas, I ain't calling them bro. You wife and thotties, I ain't saving a hoe. I handle business and just stick to the code.
Before this, I wasn't thought of. I was broke, but then I caught up. Yeah, going through my phone, do I get caught up? Can't be the only one to play my part. I want money, I don't want your heart.
Shawty loves it, yeah, loves that I'm a dog. They don't want it, yeah, they scared of what I know. Told you the budget, yeah, I gotta get my own. Shout out my bros, this right here deserves a toast, yeah. A lot of people back home on my back and they know.